First up, I've cleaned my face, of course. I'm going to use the Maybelline, whatever it is, Master Prime. First, my brush, wherever it is, I had it. Here, this brush. Now we put that all over the face. Done. Next, you just put your brush down. I'm using this one, which is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Okay, now while that's setting, I'm going to use my new palette, which is the Rimmel Magnif'eyes, excuse me, in Electric Violet edition. Now that's it. And I will take that out. You're a pain. And I just stuck my fingernail in it. Man. And they're the colours. Now today I'm going to use these three, and we'll see what happens. Okay, all over the lid. I'll find the brushes. There they are. All over the lid I'm going to use this, turn it up, this one here. I'll prime first. I forgot. Dear oh dear. I'd forget my head if it wasn't screwed on. Unbelievable. Clean up and nail one. And finger two. And dry. Okay, now we'll go back in. As I said, I'm going to use this one all over the lid. And let's do it. The voice, you can hear a voice, it's Jeffrey's on the phone. Okay, outer corner, I'm going to use this one. Same brush. Blend those two together. Now I'm going to use this one as a bit of a highlight. Just in the corner and up to there, just to blend. Now under the eye, I'm going to extend that turquoise colour, this colour, around to under the eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the, I think that's the way it is, this pen. It's white. I'm just going to run that round in the blend them together. Okay, mascara is the Colossal. Turn it round the other way. Thank you. Volume mascara. Okay, now while that's drying, I'll do the eyebrows. And that's my pencil where the words are. D. How's that? Awesome. Now I'm going to go back in with the mascara and do the bottom lashes. Something a little different. Of course, I can be different. Let's get this brush. I'm going to use my e.l.f. highlighter on the inside of my eyes, just to add a bit of sparkle, sparkly, not light, not dark, just light. That's better. I'll keep that there. Next, how about another coat of mascara for the top eyelashes? Oh, missed. Next is bronzer, and the bronzer I'm using is MCoBeauty. Let's see if I can get it for you this time. Next is the Clinique, if I can get it open, Clinique blush, powder blush. And we'll just blend that together. Now going back in with the e.l.f. highlighter, just on a brush, just on the top of my back cheekbones. I know what I didn't do. I will do it now, as I didn't use my Maybelline Dream Lumi pen. I'll find my brush in a minute. Will do. And having done that, I've just brushed off the highlighter, so I'll redo the highlighter again. There. Lips. What's that? That's a brush, not a lip. This is the Rimmel. I'll turn it so you can read it. Lipstick is the Revlon Colorstay liquid lips. How about turn it around so you can see it? There we go. And the colour is Stellar Sunrise. There we have it. Eyes. Thanks for watching. Beautiful.